Boy guys, so I'm in a secret location tonight. I have brought Mark and Barbara with me, but they can't get through this hole. Let me just show you. They are actually outside. This hole here.
Hi! Can you see me?
Hi!
Just explain to them guys that...
Can't get through, mate.
I can't get through medical
I'm
reasons.
too fat.
Through medical reasons, in case my back goes.
I'm too fat.
But we've got walkie-talkies, and I've already said that I've seen some things in here, so I'm going to walk Paul blindly through it with my medium skills. So let's see if we can do this.
Yeah.
Good luck, Paul.
Cheers.
Good luck.
Cheers guys.
And if we hear you scream, we won't run, I promise.
If you hear you scream, we'll radio the insto.
Right, so tonight's a solo, guys. I'll tell you what, I'm shaking. These underground tunnels in Manchester, I believe they were built in during the World War II times for the people to stay in, sleep in during World War II. I think they spent a few weeks in here, or months even, I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'm going to turn it round now guys, and start the investigation, eh? Fingers crossed it all goes all well, yeah? Right. Right guys, I'm making my way in, yeah?
Talk to the radio, Paul. Talk to the radio.
We can't see you okay, Paul, so you're going to have to use the radio.
Okay, can you hear me?
Loud and clear. Don't forget, keep us informed.
Yeah, well. Well, guys, I tell you what. What have I let myself in for here, guys? Go down this way first. Just got to be careful of this bed. I tell you what, it's strangely warm. Let me tell you. Yeah, I'm okay. It's really dusty down here. And I tell you what, it's really, really warm. Yeah, can you hear me, Bob? Losing signal on the radio, guys, so I'll be on my own. I'll tell you what, this is really, really weird. Oh my God.
Are you anywhere near the room with green on?
No.
See what green?
I must be mad. I must be mad. Okay. As you can see, guys, there's so many different turnings in these tunnels. And they go on forever. Just got to be careful because I've never been here before. Got to be aware of my surroundings. But I am on edge, really on edge. And I don't want to get lost either. there's any spirits in here, will you come forward, please? Can you make a noise? Can you walk towards me? Can you show yourself? Tell you what, guys, I've never been so nervous in all my life. I'm gonna walk down here. And I think I've lost signal on the radio because I can't hear anyone. Hello? If there's any spirits in here with me, can you come forward, please? Can you make a noise? You've done it for other investigators. Can you do it for me, please? They go on for miles, these two guys. I don't really want to get lost. Oh, Jesus. Dead one. Keep going down here. Hello? If there's any spirits in here, can you please make a noise? Right, I'm going to walk back this way, guys, because as you can see, there's so many different turnings and what have you. I don't want to get lost. Obviously I'm on my own. I've got to retrace my steps, so I don't want to go too far in, which I'm sure you can understand, guys. I'm really, really, really nervous. I've never been so nervous in all my life. Hello? Starting to get a bit paranoid now. Really paranoid. It's just my mind playing tricks, I think, because of the situation I'm in. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Jesus. Do you know what? I don't know which way I came. I'm gone. Guys, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Lost signal on the radio. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Okay, I think it might have been this way. I think. I can hear Mark and Barbara outside. I think this might be the way out. I can hear the cars as well. Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you, you went right off Trent there, mate.
Yeah, no, I went right deep in. I almost got lost.
Fucking hell, mate. Excuse the language. It's only out here thinking you've been kidnapped.
No, I'm okay.
Come across anything?
No, but I'll tell you what, it's really weird in here. It's strangely so warm.
Honest, to be fair, it's good. Don't see the shadow.
Right, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to find the exit so I know where it is. It's right there, yeah. There's the exit.
Hear me, mate.
Yeah, I can hear you, Bob. I'm right here now. Hey, I'm right by the hole. Can you hear me? Sound. It's alright, I'm going to go back in. I just wanted to retrace where the exit was.
You really said that, so just be careful.
Okay.
Just a bit less stuff out here, so we know people have obviously been staying in here as well.
Sorry about the shaky camera, guys. I'm just trying to hold it with one hand. Right, so. Left. Hello? If there's any spirits in here, can you please come forward? Can you show yourself? Can you move one of these buckets? Hello? Come on, Amy Romeo. Show yourself. Right, guys. I've never been so scared in all my life. But this is something I've always wanted to do. So, here I am doing it. There has been some activity down here. Other investigators have been here and they've experienced quite a bit down here. So I wasn't going to miss the opportunity. I definitely wanted to give it a go. So, let's do a few more call-outs, guys, see what we can get, eh? Hello? Is there any spirits in here with me? Can you please come forward? Can you throw something? Walk towards me? Show yourself? Can you whistle after me? Hello? Can you please come forward? You can see these here, guys. I believe these are actually beds that they used to sleep on during World War II. Hello? I'd like to communicate with you. Can you walk towards me, please? Can't explain the feeling in here, guys. It's so warm. Hello? So difficult to see in here as well, guys, because it is so dark. Hello? Is there any spirits in here? Would you like to come forward? I don't mean you any harm. can hear Mark and Barbara shouting at me. Obviously, I've lost signal on the radio, guys, so I can't communicate with them through that. Right. Must say, I know it's a short video, guys. I'm sorry about that, but I am on my own in these tunnels, and it's very, very eerie. I can hear Mark and Barbara shouting at me now. I think I'm going to head to the exit. I'm sorry it's only a short video, guys, but I am on my own in these tunnels, which is the craziest thing I've ever done. But it's built my confidence up, you know, and I'm more than happy to do it. This is what I signed up for. But yeah, it's really eerie in here. Strangely warm, like I've said earlier. Very, very strange. But yeah, I'm going to make my way back to the exit. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Until next time. Please like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.